Students often bring college credit with them from high school. These include College Now, Advanced Placement, and the International Baccalaureate program. Let's take a look at how these differ. College Now courses provide high school students the opportunity to earn college credits while completing their high school requirements through dual enrollment. Students who want to earn advanced placement credits will need to take a test once the course is completed. Test scores can then be sent to colleges that grant course credit based on predetermined scores. The International Baccalaureate is a 2-year program that involves advanced courses and encourages students to pursue both personal and academic achievement. It's important to know that while many of the college credits you earn at JCCC will transfer to your next institution, they might not all apply to your degree. Checking the transfer guides and talking to a counselor will ensure that you select courses that meet requirements at JCCC and beyond. Make sure to also check with the admissions representative from your transfer school about specific transfer policies, such as GPA requirements, how pass-fail classes transfer, as well as admission and scholarship deadlines. Prepare for success in advance by asking a JCCC counselor for tips and resources to help you succeed at your next institution. Don't forget to get involved with clubs and activities during your time as a Cavalier too. JCCC offers many resources on campus and right at your fingertips to help you succeed. Please reach out to Transfer Services or a JCCC counselor with questions or to receive more information on making your transfer process seamless.